You're looking at a Supermax milling machine with a Prototrak MX2 controller. Prototrak MX2 controller. This machine's in pretty nice shape. It does have the box ways. You'll have to bear with me for a minute because I don't have my helper here today, but I'm going to run this for you so you can hear it running. And I'm going to shoot a little program through there, just a whole cycle, so you can see that it does move. What's nice about this machine is it does have the scales. So this has the scale feedback. This is an accurate scale, and it does have it on the Z also, and also on the X. This also has a power drawbar, so that's an air drawbar. I do not have the air hooked up, but it does work. I have used it. And it does have a vise. I'm going to go ahead and run this thing for you. It has a chuck in it. Just to show you this running. Hasn't been run much, so I don't know how. You can hear it. Sounds pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and run this program. We do have a program just with a bolt hole circle in it. So we're going to run, start, and then we're going to go. Actually, I'm going to show path so that you can see it moving. Hit Z, and away she goes. I'll show you it up on the screen. Hopefully I was showing you. And then I'm going to show you it actually on the machine itself. So that's it. Now we're going to start it over. Go. And I'm going to go. So you can see it moving. Overall, this machine is in excellent shape. Quill goes up and down, lock. This has the handle for the quill. You can change that out if you like. It does have a, I'm going to unlock this. It does have, this handle is in need of repair. We did not work on this. We may be able to find your handle if you need one. Everything else is in pretty good shape. Moves very nice. The ways are in excellent shape. The chip guards are a little bit bent up. That's quite common on the Supermaxes. But overall, she's in good shape. Does have a ding in the table in a couple places. We thank you for your business and have a blessed day. This is a Supermax with a Prototrak MX2 controller. Thank you and have a blessed day.